Electronic configuration. In this, first we need to learn Euler's diagram. Euler diagram tells us about different energy levels. First energy will have only S. Second energy will have both S orbital and P orbital. Third energy level will have S orbital, P orbital and D orbital. Fourth energy level will have S, P, D and F. Likewise, these will be continuing. Here, first 1s will fill, then 2s, then 2p 3s, then 3p 4s, then 3d 4p 5s, 4d 5p 6s. Likewise, it will be continuing. Okay. Here, for example, if we consider a first group element like hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, every element will try to attain the configuration of noble gas, or also called inert gas. That is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Hydrogen is 1, right? Helium is 2. Lithium 3. Sodium 11. Neon is 10. Argon is 18, right? That means sodium is nearest to, sodium is 11, right? 11 is nearest to 10. Right? That means sodium configuration is, sodium atomic number is 11, right? So how can we write electronic configuration? In S, maximum 2 electrons. In P, maximum 6 electrons. In D, maximum 10 electrons. In F, maximum 14 electrons. First of all, S, here in this diagram we can fill 1s, right? That means 1s. In S, how many maximum we can fill? 2. So 1s2. Next, what? Which one? That is 2s, right? So 2s. In S, how many we can fill maximum? 2 electrons. Out of 11 electrons, we filled 4 electrons. Remaining are 7, right? Next, after 2s, 2p, right? In P, maximum how many electrons we can fill? 6 electrons. So in 2p, 6 electrons. Next, after 2p, what can be filled? I said 3s, right? So 3s. But in S, how many can we fill? Only 2. So 2, 6 is 10. 2 means more, right? It is only 11 they asked. So it is 3s1. 10 plus 1 is total 11, right? But every element will try to attain the inert gas configuration. Here, what is the nearest configuration for 11? 10, which is neon, right? Yes or not? So, if 11 minus 11 is subtracted with 1, that means 1 is subtracted from 11, it will be 10 or not? That means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 if we make, it will be a inert gas configuration, right? So this has to be removed, right? That's why sodium will be Na plus ion. That means it will lose 1 electron. For example, let us consider chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. That means there are 17 electrons in it, right? The configuration is Same as here. First 1s, then 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. Right? 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. Likewise, it will be continuing, right? First of all, 17. In s orbital, how many can we fill? 2. Here also 2. Yes. P means maximum 6 electrons. Here it is 2 plus 2 plus 6 is 10. And here 2, 12. And P is 5. So that maximum how many electrons can we fill? In P, 6. But it is 17, right? Here, till here it is enough, right? So this is the configuration of chlorine. But chlorine can